role in my life. So no one can ever replace Razzy. Even Razzy's mom knows. I'm not eating Razzy. Razzy, he will say things that he's not supposed to say. but you know, Razzy, I'm leaving tomorrow, right? So, and Diana is leaving on Tuesday. I'm only seeing her for today. That's it. Razzy, yeah, no one can ever replace Razzy or even take Razzy's place. Even my man knows, he understands. Even my man understands and knows about Razzy. He knows that Razzy is not going anywhere. He's not. He's my G for life. Razzy, here. No, guys. So I got Diana 2 turquoises. Look, I got Diana 2 turquoises. Don't mind me, I have 2 fridges in my house, né? Don't mind me. And that 500 ml Savannah, but she don't want. Those cornrows are clean. Thank you. You're far too kind. I get like this when I'm in a relationship, you know, when I'm in a healthy relationship. I become clean. I don't need a whole lot of drama on my face, just lashes and cornrows. Yeah, you fight me every day. Razzy fights me every day. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Wow, in a fridge bed. Okay, the other fridge, the first fridge holds leftover. The small one here, it holds leftover foods. I don't put leftover foods in the fridge where I put only liquids. The other fridge is just for liquids. You see, I went to buy this. It's for other liquids. So let me show you. See, liquids. See? I have 2 fridges. The other one is just for liquids. And then it ends there. I don't want a fridge that I mix leftovers and fruits. And yeah, I'm like that. The other fridge is for scaftini, this one. What about fruit and veggies? Fruits only. Here in this big fridge is just fruits only, and water and juice. Yeah, you see? Fruits. Now I'm gonna be having cherries. Okay? Doro, I want that type of fridge. And whatever is in it, chocolate. I used to organize Rat's fridge. But just stop giving me mine. I will bring you a gift. Told you I'll bring you a gift. I'll come with Diana today. So we can organize your fridge. I'm putting the match on Monday. Your body match. I'm putting it on Monday. Tuesday. Now it's time to pack the fridge. Your fridge, I know. I opened you for a long time. If you bought a vase, if you didn't buy a vase, I'm gonna leave. I'm not gonna pack your fridge because the flowers I bought your mom, they're very expensive. And you know, women love flowers. Please bring Clover to the house. Remember, mom is around. Yeah. She won't be sober. You saw she refused alcohol. She'll be very sober when she comes. Yeah. I'll do that. Let me put this in the fridge. This thing hit me. This thing hit me so bad. I mean, this hit me on my toes. I'm in so much pain. Yeah. Then what else? Drinks. We in the fridge, you love us. Yes, guys, I love you guys. You see, Diana is sleeping. I have no one to talk to, so I have you people. You'll see when I'm done with the fridge, it will look so cute. You'll understand why I am like this. Okay, let me do this. Back. I know, fridge, I know. But okay, let me put this in the bag. Voila. I will show you the flower vase, accept this request. Thank you so much for the compliment. Oh, Razzy wants to show me the vase. Okay. Let me see. Sorry, fridge. Sorry, fridge. Let me see.
What's that?
That's not you cooking, is mommy cooking? Yeah, I knew it. Yes.
Of course, I'm enjoying. You see, this is the standard.
That's why you are fat now.
Huh?
That's why you are fat now.
Yes. For enjoyment purpose only. If you cannot feed me like this, take care of me like this, I don't want to. The Razzy, he wants to introduce me to you. Oh, wow. Doro, can I put those things in my fridge? Those rubber to... This plate to go. I'm not using this plate. You go right out. Can I put those rubber to arrange stuff in my fridge? you. Hey, look at you. Don't do nothing. Now I'm doing things properly. No, not drop any code. You will not get problem. Thank you.
Does your fridge look like that?
Yes, now. Now I'm doing things right. I arrange my fridge. I take my time. Even make my bed when I wake up. Go to the gym.
Hey, it's because mommy's around. If she was not around.
So I have to call you back. I love you. Let me eat. Okay, I will come the light. I want to eat.
Let me see.
It's banga soup and starch. Banga soup and starch. Diane will be able to eat this food, I promise you.
Oh, please keep some for her.
Yeah, I'll keep some for Diane.
Sure.
Bye.
Bye.